My name is Dustin Cole. I'm account manager for racing and aftermarket for Daido Metal USA. Daido Metal is a Japanese manufacturer. It's been around since the 1930s. Probably one of the most specialized bearing manufacturers in the world, as well as one of the largest bearing manufacturers in the world.
Bearings are one of the most critical components in the engine. Really the most important interface that transfers all of the power from the fuel through the crankshaft, through the drivetrain, down to the tires and to the track.
Daido engine bearings we learned about roughly about 10 or 12 years ago as they came into the sport of NASCAR racing.
Daido and SRI share a little bit of history with Roush Yates engines. We've been supplying to Roush Yates for 12 years.
Here at Roush Yates Engines, we are designers and developers of world-class purpose-built race engines.
Obviously you can take one look at it and see that it is a very high quality, precision-made bearing. So again, you're trying to build everything the best it can be. We want to have the best parts in our engines.
These bearings are super consistent, meaning if you get a set of rod bearings from Daido, they are all going to measure the same width, the same thickness.
Some of our wall thickness tolerances are as small as 3 microns per half shell.
At SRI, we carry performance race bearings for many applications, from dirt track racing, sprint car, late model, circle track asphalt racing, and drag racing.
Daido makes everything from a 1.5 millimeter ID bushing all the way up to a 1 meter wide half shell bearing for a container ship.
One of the key aspects of our partnership with Daido is the technical capability and know-how that they bring to the table.
We went with Daido engine bearing because of their technical support, their quality, and their attention to detail.
Daido's material and machining technology are two of the things that help propel us to being one of the best bearing manufacturers in the world.
The customer service is great, and technical support is great. Yeah, they're second to none.
The technology jointly developed between our companies transforms to every form of racing.
That was really the sole reason for using Daido in every application that I can.
Roush Yates Engines relies exclusively on Daido for all of our high-performance engine builds.
For more information on Daido, you can hit up SRI Performance. You can ask for me specifically, Chad Elliott, or any one of our technical sales team. All the new developments will be located on our website, sriperformance.com, and we will be posting on social media as the new products and developments come to pass.